Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The logs, after being transported from the forest to the sawmill, still retain their rough, rugged exterior, bearing the marks of time and nature. The sap is still fresh, the bark cracked, and the surface uneven from where branches were cut off. Yet, beneath this coarse outer layer lies precious grain patterns, waiting to be revealed and transformed into a brand new form. As the rough logs enter the sawmill, sharp blades begin their task of stripping away their aged outer layer. The high-pitched whirring of the saw echoes through the air, slicing through the wood layer by layer, revealing the smooth core within. Wood chips fly in all directions, and the fresh scent of timber fills the workshop, marking the transformation of raw logs into neatly cut planks. As the log is placed on the conveyor belt, the sharp saw blade spins at high speed. The piercing sound of metal slicing through it fills the air, tearing through layers to reveal the core within. Sawdust flies in all directions, covering the floor in a fine golden layer. Each cut requires absolute precision. Even a slight misalignment can cause the plank to warp, bend, or crack. From rugged tree trunks in the wild forest, the wood has now donned a completely new appearance. It may become warm flooring, sturdy furniture, or elegant doors. The journey from a raw log to a finished product is a testament to human craftsmanship and the hidden beauty within every grain of wood. Before the sun rises, the timber trucks have already begun their journey. The sky is still draped in mist, but the roaring engines shatter the silence of the forest. The heavily loaded truck, carrying massive logs, maneuvers through deep potholes and thick mud. The slippery road means that even a small mistake could get the truck stuck. They constantly adjust their speed, maintain balance, and carefully choose the right path to navigate through the deep mud pits. The rainforest rains turn the road into a slippery, muddy path. The massive wheels spin fiercely, struggling to grip the thick mud. The roaring engine pushes the heavy logs forward, inch by inch. Every meter is a battle against the deep mud, but with years of experience, The drivers skillfully maneuver their trucks through the challenging terrain. The steep hills ahead pose a real challenge. The heavy truck revs its engine, with each wheel gripping tightly onto the rough surface. The steeper the climb, the greater the strain on the engine, yet with its powerful drivetrain, the truck relentlessly pushes forward. At times, drivers must coordinate with towing machines to ensure the truck doesn't slide backward. Despite all difficulties, the timber trucks march forward like mighty war horses. The forest roads are filled with obstacles, sometimes landslides, sometimes fallen trees, but nothing can halt their progress. With steady hands and precise maneuvering, the drivers skillfully transport the heavy logs out of the forest safely. Dangerous, forcing drivers to work with specialized towing machines for extra support. At the base of the hill, other drivers patiently wait for their turn, knowing that even the slightest rush could lead to disastrous consequences. On dangerous curves, logging trucks require extra space to maneuver. If the road is too narrow, a clearing vehicle or reversing may be needed to adjust the turning angle. Some trucks are equipped with hydraulic steering assistance to make handling easier on rough terrain. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. Chainsaws are widely used in forestry, construction, and tree trimming operations. Due to their fast and flexible cutting ability, they significantly reduce labor time compared to manual saws. In dense forest environments, chainsaws can handle various types of trees, from softwood to hardwood. Some high-end models are equipped with more powerful engines, allowing them to cut through large diameter wood while maintaining high efficiency. The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. In logging areas, circular saw machines roar as they prepare to take down massive trees in seconds. Their razor-sharp blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, slicing deep into the trunk with precision. The sound of cracking wood blends with the engine's roar, forming a powerful symphony of human ingenuity and nature. Once a tree is felled, the next step is limb trimming to refine the log into a clean material. Mechanical arms equipped with smaller saw blades swiftly remove excess branches, cutting each knot with precision. Hydraulic systems allow these robotic arms to move flexibly, trimming at a speed far beyond human capability. Within minutes, the tree is stripped down and ready for the next stage. Long tree trunks cannot be transported as they are, so they must be segmented into standard sizes. Segmentation machines use precise measurement systems to cut logs into pieces suited for specific purposes. Massive circular saw blades spin rapidly, slicing through it effortlessly like a knife through butter, leaving behind clean, sharp cuts. Each section log is neatly stacked, ready for further processing. In the past, workers had to use axes and hand saws to fell trees, trim branches, and segment logs, an exhausting and hazardous task. However, with technological advancements, modern machines not only boost productivity, but also enhance worker safety. Automated sensors, remote control systems, and intelligent designs minimize risks, making logging more precise and efficient than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you soon.